Hi everyone, my name is Paul Tilley and welcome to AC1260 Financial Accounting 1. What I'm going to do in this particular video is to introduce you to the course, to bring you through some of the components that you're going to be looking at over the course, big picture type things. And that will give you an idea of what I'm looking for and what you need to do in order to be successful. My goal is to help you be successful. Let's just take a look at some of these things with regards to the course. First and foremost, one of the things you want to look at is what are we doing here, okay? So this course will introduce you to accounting in terms of the basic concepts of accounting, the things and the mechanics of how accounting works. This includes the basics of double entry accounting systems, including adjusting entries, financial statement preparation, accounting for payroll, accounting for merchandising companies that sell product, and the basics of internal control of cash. All very important components of running a successful business. The course really emphasizes something we call the National Accounting Standard, or generally agreed upon accounting principles. These are basic rules that all accountants use in order to measure the health of a business. And we need to have those basic rules so that we can compare apples and apples. So we need one company using the same set of rules that another company uses in order to be able to compare the two companies. In terms of the specific topics, of course, we're going to look at Introduction to Accounting Concepts. We're going to look at recording transactions, adjusting the accounts and preparing financial statements. We're going to look at worksheets and closing entries. We're going to look at accounting for a merchandising firm. We're going to look at special journals that companies use. We're going to look at internal cash control. We're going to look at accounts receivable and short-term notes receivable. We're going to look at inventories. And finally, we're going to look at how payroll is managed. If we ask, what exactly is accounting? Well, accounting is really a process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. And really, the accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to shareholders, oversight agencies, regulators, you name it. So the financial statements used in accounting are really a concise summary of how the business is doing, right? It's a snapshot of this is our business, this is what we've done over a period of time. So we talk about that period of time as an accounting period. And this covers operations, financial positions, and cash flows. So accounting involves really record keeping plus the analysis of that record keeping. For this particular course, the textbook is the Fundamental Accounting Principles Volume 1, and it's by Larson. It's in the 17th edition. And you can get this book through the college's bookstore, and you can order textbooks online through that. And I have the link inside the course there. Also, it's important that when you get the textbook, you also buy the Connect. We're using this Connect system. This is like a website that I've set up that deals with the course, and it contains the assignments and the quizzes. So it's important you connect to that. In the news section of the DL program, I have outlined all of the mechanics of how you get connected with Connect. In terms of the course evaluation, there are 4 components to that. First of all, there are the assignments. There are 5 assignments. I've indicated when they are, and they're worth 2% each for a total of 10. There are also 2 online quizzes. The quizzes are short and they deal with specific topics, and I've indicated when they're going to occur. And there will also be 2 semester tests. Again, more comprehensive than the quizzes. Finally, at the end of the semester, it will be a comprehensive final exam, and that will be written in the final exam period, and those dates will be announced. If we look at the assignments, all assignments will be posted in the Connect website, and you can see that I've got them listed out right there in terms of the chapter. I want to emphasize that in order to be successful at this course, what you really need to do is practice, practice, practice. This little diagram here is a good summary of what you should do, a way to approach studying this. First of all, read the materials. So the various chapters, take a look at the chapter, read it over quickly, and then read it a second time. And from there, you can go and you can say, okay, what are the exercises? Let me do some of those. Doing lots of exercises is very important. The practice, again, really, and the learning comes in doing those exercises. Once those are done, check your answers. And once you feel comfortable with the answers, then you go on and you do the various assignments and the like, and you move to the next component. Can't overstress the fact that you need to do lots and lots of examples and lots of practice, and that will bring the product of success to you. One of the things I would like you to do at the very start is to go to the meet and greet activity, and I posted that in the news section. You post that in the discussion forum, and really in the meet and greet, all I'm asking you to do is tell me who you are, where you see yourself in the next 5 years, what's your goal, and how this course will help you achieve that goal. So, with regards to me, my name is Paul Tilley. I have a phone number there. It's very important that you leave a message when you call, because I will never be able to answer it directly because it goes to my computer. So what you need to be able to do is when you call, you leave a message, and I will call you back as quick as possible. To learn about me and the things I've been doing over the last 30 years of teaching, you can find me on LinkedIn. I'm right there. And my email address is paul.tilley@cna.nl.ca. I prefer that you email me through the course, though, because it keeps the emails concise in terms of what course we're talking about and what issues you would have. So get a hold of me and I'll get your issue resolved as quickly as I possibly can. Anyway, so that's a very brief summary of the class. I want you to enjoy. I will be posting some office hours as we go along in terms of when I'm available. But, if you want instant access, but I'm always available generally. That's my general rule. I'm here for you and to contribute to your success.